Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make fried eggs on an electric stove. First, select a good non-stick pan, ideally 8 to 10 inches in diameter. Place it on a burner and set your stove to a medium-low heat setting. This allows the pan to warm up gradually and evenly. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil to the pan. Let it melt and coat the bottom surface completely. Once your pan is properly heated and coated, it's time for the eggs. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl. This helps prevent shell fragments from getting into your pan and makes it easier to transfer. Gently pour the egg from the bowl directly into the warm pan. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk or longer for a firmer one. To achieve different levels of doneness, you have a few options. For steam-basted eggs with firm whites and runny yolks, cover the pan for about 1 minute. If you prefer an over-easy or over-hard egg, carefully flip it with a spatula and cook for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute. Always season your fried eggs with salt and pepper right after cooking for the best flavor. Once your fried egg reaches your desired perfection, gently slide it from the pan onto your plate using a spatula. Fried eggs are incredibly versatile and pair wonderfully with many breakfast items. Enjoy them immediately with a side of crispy bacon, some fresh avocado, or a slice of buttered toast. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.